The guitar is an amazing instrument to be able to play because it's in so many of the best songs of our time. One of these songs is Party in the USA, which includes guitar in its verses and chorus, and I'll be teaching you how to play that today. I'd consider myself to be an expert in the guitar because I've been playing it for a few months now, and I'm excited to share my knowledge with you. So let's get started. The guitar is an instrument comprised of strings and frets. It has 6 strings going from bottom to top, and it has many frets going along the body. To begin playing Party in the USA, you will first find the 7th fret. So you'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you'll play that first string with your index finger, the 8th fret 2nd string with your ring finger, and the 7th fret 3rd string with your middle finger. So it should make a little triangle with your fingers, and you'll play the bottom 3 strings. The next chord you'll be playing is an A sharp minor chord. To play this, you'll bar, which means to press down all of the strings on the 7th fret. So you'll bar the bottom 3 strings there, and you'll play those strings too. So it'll sound like that. And the third chord that you'll have to play is a D sharp minor chord. So you will play on the 7th fret with your index finger on the 1st string, on the 8th fret with your middle finger on the 2nd string, and on the 9th fret on the 3rd string with your ring finger, playing the bottom 3 strings like so. Next, you'll shift down 2 frets, so you'll be playing on the 5th fret with your index finger, and you'll be playing on the 9th fret with your pinky and ring finger on the 2nd and 3rd strings. So you'll play them all in a row, and it'll sound like that. And those are the 4 chords that you need to know. But to make the song sound really good, you'll have to add some flourishes. So to start, we're going to make that same F sharp major chord shape, but we're going to put that on the 6th fret. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make that same shape, the same triangle shape, and you'll strum the strings, just the bottom 3, and you'll slide up into that 7th fret. So it'll sound like this. And then you give it a couple strums afterwards. And you can mute these if you want to make them sound even better. So you'll slide up, and then you can palm mute. And that sort of follows what she actually does in the song. And then next you'll play that A sharp minor chord, just like that, barring on the 7th fret here. And then on the 10th fret, you're gonna put your pinky on the 1st string, just like this. And you're gonna play that string, and it'll sound like this, just like in the song. And then you'll play that D sharp minor chord, just like normal. And then you'll play 2 more muted strums on that same chord. Then you'll slide down into that C sharp minor, and you can play that and go right back into that F sharp major chord. And when you put it all together, it should sound something like this. Now that you've learned how to play Party in the USA, you can jam out and fully enjoy the song on the guitar. Thank you.